In this episode, we're going to learn about bus safety. It's important to be safe on the bus. Yet, what does that look like? When the bus arrives at your stop, make sure you are on the curb. That way, the bus driver can see you. When the driver opens the door, that means that you can leave the curb and get onto the bus. Once you get onto the bus, make sure that you walk down the aisle to an empty seat. Scoot over towards the window and place your backpack on the floor. This way, another person can sit next to you. If there isn't an empty seat, sit next to someone else. And remember, we don't save seats for anyone. When the bus is moving, keep your hands and feet still. This way, you aren't distracting the bus driver. There may be a time when you need to exit the bus through the emergency exit. Listen to the bus driver to give you directions on how to do this. Never leave through this door unless you've been told to. When you leave the bus, it's always nice and kind to thank your bus driver and wish them a good day. Now that we've learned about bus safety, let's see if you can identify what to do. What is she doing right? What do you think? You're right, she's waiting on the curb. What are they doing right? What do you think? You're right, they're sitting still on the bus. I hope you like this episode on bus safety. Don't forget to check out my channel for more lessons. Don't forget to like and subscribe and check out my TPT store to learn more.